Today we're going to do a quick demo of how to unbind your DJI drone and controller from your DJI account. Now this is really important if you plan to sell or give away your DJI drone to someone else. It's kind of like Apple's iCloud feature with the Find My anti-theft prevention, where when you sell your iPhone to someone else, you've got to take it off your iCloud account. Otherwise, whoever gets it, when they try to register and add it to their account, it's going to give them an error message. So it's kind of the same concept with the DJI drones in terms of unbinding. And so this is a super important step, again, if you plan to sell or give away your drone. So I'm going to walk you through how to do this. It's really quite simple. I've got here a DJI Air 2S, but these instructions will apply pretty much to any DJI drone that uses the DJI Fly app. So you can see I've got a basic controller here and it is connected to Android here, and we're going to tap on DJI Fly to open the app. And then you'll see it defaults to the kind of the fly, the takeoff screen. We're going to go back here by tapping on the back arrow in the upper corner. And now you can see we're kind of at the home screen. We're going to tap on Profile down here. And then we're going to go to Device Management. So under Device Management, if I had more than one device, you'd see them listed here. So if you got more than one drone, you're going to make sure you select the right drone. First, we're going to go under Value Added Service. And notice how you've got a red Unbind device link there, and it's going to show the remote controller ID. So first thing we're going to do is unbind the device, and then we're going to go over here to the account device and click Remove Device from Account. So let's go back to Value Added Service, click on that Unbind. It's going to warn you that you're unbinding your drone. We're going to hit Next. And then we're going to hit Confirm. And it says Unbinding Successful. Now we can tap on the X up here, and you'll notice under here it still lists the device here. I like to be extra thorough and go ahead and remove the device as well. So we'll hit Remove Device. Again, it's going to warn you, hit Next, Confirm Account and Device Info, and we're going to hit Confirm. Unbind device from this account, confirm. Device unbound from account successfully. All right, so now you can see that it is not bound. In fact, we have the option to rebind it to your account. And so if you accidentally take off the wrong device, you can add it back on easily. These steps are super important, so definitely make sure that you follow these steps if you're planning to sell your DJI drone to someone else. It'll just save a lot of time and hassle in the process. You know, we made this video really specifically for our customers because as a secondhand shop, we get a lot of drones and that are already bound to existing customers' accounts. And of course, when we test them, we discover that and we have to get those removed before we can resell the drone, let alone pay our customers up. So we hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested in selling your drone and you want a risk-free cash offer, please visit our website at jaybrokers.com. That's JAY-brokers.com. Two things that our customers love about JBrokers are, first, we always pay the agreed upon amount for the agreed upon item. There's never ever any bait and switch gimmicks. And secondly, we always send payments out to our customers on the next business day after we receive your item. Rain or shine, doesn't matter what's going on in the world. So definitely visit our website at jaybrokers.com. You can get a risk-free cash offer 24/7 instantly on all the popular DJI drones. Thanks for watching.